Hi guys! Today we want to show you something really special. This project took us few months and we began to build it from scratch as a custom order for one of our customers. And today we want to introduce to you the classic Stormtrooper helmet, A New Hope Stormtrooper. It's built from scratch. It's printed, molded, casted. This is rotor-casted helmet as well as that Trooper helmet. It has the same professionally painted high gloss base coat, hand painted all the details, 2mm thick dark green visor, special hover mix with metal mesh and something inside. It has ears on the screws. It has inner padding, rubber brim, rubber brow, and it's pretty much cool. It has a symmetrical shape. It has a wand on the right lens, and it has a symmetrical back shape and a symmetrical overall. Modeled from scratch once again. We also made an armor for this kit. And we're gonna show the full review for that Stormtrooper armor in our next video. Now we're gonna wear it. I always wanted one of these bad guys. So a classic TK twist. Yeah, it's so cool. It feels fantastic. It looks fantastic. It's overall fantastic. One of the most iconic prop piece. Stay tuned, guys.